In this video, we're going to be creating another function, which is going to draw another path. Okay. Every time you create a function, always remember to call it. Otherwise, you're just going to be wondering for a long time why it's not working. It's happened many times. So let's do this again. We can simply copy this 4. We can start from the same point. We can change the color. So let's change this time. Let's change it to green. Let's use the black. Okay, so we're going to be starting at point. Let's see. Move to point. Let's just see. Let's vary things. Context dot add line. So we're going to add a line to, let me copy the CG point as well, so it can be faster to type. So we want to move to point 300, and Y remain the same. And let's add another line. This time it's going to be, let me think, X is going to be the same, Y is going to increase. So 100. And the next one is X will go back to the original position, 200, and Y will be the same, 100. And then finally, to close it, in fact, let's show, before we close it, let's see what it looks like. Context dot stroke path. It will be unfinished rectangle because we haven't drawn a line to go back to the original point. So we draw this one, starting point, draw a line to this space, draw a line down. So let's close it. Closing it means going back to the original point, 250, 200, and then 50. So let's run that. So there you go, completed rectangle. So that's how you draw path. Thank you.